Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at this maths question. We're supposed to calculate the value of 4x minus 4y, holding bracket, minus 3 bracket x minus y square. Okay, we have two methods over here. Okay, this first method, okay, you can see that I split it up. There's a square here. So it's actually 4x minus y and 4x minus y repeated. Okay, so I take out a common factor of 4, and here I also take out a common factor of 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is actually 16, x minus y square. Okay, if you can see, you can actually skip to this step directly. If you're unsure, okay, you can see the working over here. Okay, this one I just copied it. Okay, so from here, 16 minus 3, I have 13, x minus y square. So x minus y square, I expanded it, x square plus y square minus 2xy. So I substitute x minus y with 5 over here. Okay, and 2xy, which is xy is 3. So I'll get minus 13. Okay, if you're not familiar with this, you can do your normal algebraic expansion. That means you expand this out, you're going to get 16x squared minus 32xy plus 16y squared. Okay, this is the normal expansion. Then this x minus y, we also expanded it out. Then after that, I'll just multiply in the 3 for the next step. Okay, so I get the expansion out. Okay, and remember this is a negative sign. So negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive, this is again negative. Okay, so now I simplify 16 minus 3, so I get 13, minus 32 plus 6, so I get minus 26, then 16 minus 3, so I get 13. Okay, so from here, you can see x squared, y squared. So I take out the common factor of 13, x squared plus y squared, so it's over here, I substitute by 5. X minus y, I substitute by 3. So final answer is still minus 13. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.